Hi everyone, Grace here, and I'm going to be walking you through how to use the Vlookup function. So what we have here is we have a task. It says, what is their plan based off their status? And we have another worksheet here, and it says plan of action. And so you can see if you're over budget, it's going to tell you what to do, and if we're within budget, it also tells you what to do. And so right away, we notice that we have a column here with similar statuses that match what's going on in this column over here. So that screams to me that we're going to be using Vlookup to decide based off if this matches what's over here, it's going to return one of these two things, okay? So let's just get straight into it, and I'm going to use the Formulas tab to do it, and it's going to be under Lookup and Reference, and then Vlookup. And so what we're going to do here is we are going to first do our lookup value. So that's going to be the cell that we're comparing to the table that's in plan of action. So it's going to be our status. Then we're going to go to our table array. And like I said before, it's going to be this table right here. And we're going to go ahead and move on. Oop. No. Okay. And then we're going to put in our column index number. So what column do we want this Vlookup to return? And it's going to be column 2, right? We want it to return the plan of action if it's over or within budget. So it's going to be 2. And go ahead and hit enter. Range lookup. Unless it says it wants you to be an exact match or an approximate match, you don't have to fill anything in for it. Doing a value of false is going to make it an exact match, and doing a value of true is going to make it an approximate match. But you see here we have a little error. This is not filling in for the rest of them, so let's see what's going on. So if you notice, we needed to do an absolute reference here. Otherwise, it's causing it to shift. So one easy way of fixing this is if we actually name this range. So we're going to go ahead here and define the name. And let's make this name plan. We're going to name that data range plan. And so then here, if we go back in and we change our table array to plan, it should work the same, except for now it's an absolute reference and it's not causing things to shift back and forth. And that is pretty much it for using Vlookup. Thanks.